With the 11th section in the 2017 entry draft, the Los Angeles Kings select from the OHL Windsor Spitfires, Gabriel Vilardi.
Mark announces the pick, and this fell into their lap with Gabriel Vilardi slipping down as far as he did.
Doesn't he fit right into their program, though? He's big, he can handle a puck, he can make a play, has a good release, and a real nice hockey sense. You know, for him, he's one of the guys you like because he has that smile on his face all the time. He loves the game of hockey, and that's what you like in young players. He has a passion for the game. The LA Kings, they've been excellent at picking guys that can play and know how to play their style. I think Gabriel Vilardi fits right into it.
Sam Cosentino standing by, but we'll bring in Jeff Merrick for more analysis of the Windsor Spitfire.
Yes, Darren, analysis with a goaltender turned analyst. Memorial Cup champion Michael DiPietro, teammate with Gabriel Vilardi for the first time in NHL Draft history. A teammate is going to become an analyst. What can you tell us from your experience about Gabriel Vilardi?
He's a pro. That's the first word that comes to mind when you speak of Gabe. He's a guy who's pro on and off the ice. He's professional. He's humble. He's a great work ethic. He has a ton of skills, so I'm just so happy for him.
Okay, he's going to the Los Angeles Kings. For anyone playing against Los Angeles, what's his go-to move? You faced him in practice.
Oh, he loves to cut to the middle, and wherever he cuts, he loves to go short side. You know, you can find an area the size of a nickel and put it there. So I can't pump his tires too much, but definitely he's a special player.
Now, he's known to have a very specific routine, and he stays on the ice long. He stays in the room long. What can you tell us about that? How frustrating is that for you as a goaltender?
Definitely frustrating, but you know, we find fun in it for sure. Whether it be a competition or breakaways at the end of practice, when we find fun in there, in the gym, we work out together. It seems like we're always glued at the hip in the rink, and see him get drafted by an organization like Los Angeles is nothing but the best for him, and he's a great player.
Okay, you guys won the Memorial Cup together, right? We're watching this viz right now. You've got a tattoo on your ribs of the Memorial Cup. Gabe told me he's getting one on his collarbone. I think 15 of you guys are doing it. What was that moment like with Gabriel?
It was great. It was something that, you know, Gabe and I said that we wanted to do since the Lincoln camp, and you know, no season goes away. You know, you think you're going to go, and for that to share with him. We won Team Ontario together. Now to win a Memorial Cup championship with him is something that Gabe and I will remember. And I'm not too convinced he'll get the tattoo. I'm not sure if he'll man up to it, so who knows.